Hello everyone, hope you are doing great and welcome back to our channel Techno Kasim. So guys, today we are taking a closer look at To The Moon and crypto platform designed to make our trading guys managing crypto assets and earning. So guys, whether you are a experienced trader or a beginner, this video is for you. We'll talk about in depth where this video is worth for you, their features, pros and cons. So guys, please watch video our till end. So before starting the video guys, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to receive the latest notification from our video. And also guys, this video is only made for educational purpose. We are not the financial advisor. So always do your own research first and then invest. Now guys, we have to move forward to the websites and begins our review. So guys, here on the website, I will put the link in the video description. You can easily join it, and before join guys, always do your own research and then you can join. So guys, first of all, I will show you the crypto exchange To The Moon on one of the fastest growing platform on the market. So have you not only trade with the low fees guys, also you can get the airdrops, new users bonus through competitions, other event as well, and earn around $24 from it. So I will show you exactly how to do that. So guys, before it you can check out their application available on Play Store and App Store as well. So guys, now we'll talk about their rank on CoinGecko guys. They have scored 8 out of 10 on CoinGecko, and also have a 34 position around other crypto exchanges. So guys, they are a reliable crypto exchanges that combines a user-friendly interface, low trading fees, bonus for new users, and active community. So guys, you can also check out their score, that is 8 out of 10 and 34 position among other crypto guys exchanges. So that is a very good sign for any crypto exchange. So now guys, we will talk about their airdrops as well. So guys, first of all, they have launched 5 to 6 airdrops every week. So that is actively good, nice for everyone. So guys, with a total prize pool around $50,000, that is a prize pool for the guys airdrops. So these are real rewards credits directly to your wallet and available for withdrawals, unlike many platforms that offers only a vouchers. Right now guys, you can register using my link, join for active airdrops, example guys Canton, and other you can check out as well. That is a Canton, that price pool is around 30,000 in CC token, and that will be end in 30th June 2026. That is a very easy. You can participate if you have a verified account and a deposit at least of $5 and a trade a CC USDT or a CC to USDC. So that is a very simple and easy reward for you. Now guys, we will talk about the ongoing event of they have 3000 prize pool for us guys. Canton Network, you can check out, it will be end in 9 days, so you can must join to get the more rewards from them. So guys, they have the competition for our new users as well. So if you want to join it, so guys, how we can join it, before I will show you how we can do sign up on crypto moon To The Moon exchange. First of all guys, you can simply click on the create account. Simply guys, you can put your email, your password, and get the referral code as well. I will put the referral code in my video description. Simply you can check out, get the code, and simply guys click on the next button. That is a very easy method, and guys, you can do your sign up in the To The Moon exchange. So guys, you can create account, confirm your email. I recommend subscribing to notification so you will don't miss the new airdrops as well. So also guys, you can complete your KYC, that only need 5 minutes or even less, and after you will get access to the all platforms, feature trading bonus and airdrops and other events as well. Simply guys, you can creating the account, click to the login, and simply guys, you can access your account on it. So that is a very easy method for all. So now guys, we will talk about their competition. So guys, in addition to the airdrops, they have their competition as well, that is regularly host trading competition with very valuable prizes for everyone. You can check out the multiple prizes as well. They have a watch, they have a iPhone, and also earbuds, airpods as well. So you can participate airdrops trading competition for the same time as well, so the reward can be combined for all. So if you join the Ferrari trading competition, you offering prizes guys, such as you can win the earbuds, or you can get some kind of guys iPhones as well. So that is a very nice competition for all, and trade CC and earn $50 in Canton net trading competition as well. So guys, as a result, with just a few actions, you can earn around $70 tokens and physical prize like airports pros. And if you are lucky, you can also win the iPhone 70 Pro Max, even a Ferrari as well. So that is very interesting for everyone. So also you can check out the trading interface. I will show you where you can do the feature trade as well. You can check out the graph to the moon offer the feature trading with a clean and initiative interface. Choose your trading pairs which you want to do. Here you guys, you can choose your trading pairs and use trading view chart as well. You can get the chart as well, open long and short. Simply guys, if you want to open with account or a short, simply guys create your account, sign in, and do your adjust your leverage as well guys. You can also adjust your leverage which you want to put, set profit and stop loss. That is for interesting. And but guys, before doing trading, crypto is very guys volatile. So always guys do research. When you have good research in a crypto, then only you can invest. If you don't have any guys knowledge about it, so then you need to get the knowledge first. So that is very important. So guys, that is our review about it, about to the Moon Crypto Exchange. So that is quite nice. I have seen it, I am using currently, and find it very nice guys. So if you want to be best condition, you can get the link in the video description, and register to the Moon and join active airdrops and trading competition. And guys, in the easiest way to start earning in the crypto, you can get it right now. So guys, that's our video about it. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. Always do your research before doing any kind of investment. So guys, let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.